Hey, Skymax here. I'm back at Wellfleet. Forecast was somewhere borderline between paragliding and hang gliding weather, but look at that. Double the forecasted velocity. So much for the forecasts. Anyway, I'll have the right tool for the job. I'm gonna set up my glider and fly.
Parachute goes all. Yep.
Is it out so I can transition to the base part?
Okay.
Watch out! Heads up! You want to go out a little further, Max? He swings back a lot. Swings back a lot.
Is it out?
This way. You got to control this back a little. So
Yeah! That's awesome. Oh, I forgot my recorder. No good sound today. This is nice. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Alright, I tagged the south lighthouse. The wind is pretty strong, so no problem staying up. It's actually nice to have some distance from the ground for a change. Awesome day for hang gliding. Yeah, good stuff. Come join us. It's November. Chill factor I think around 3 degrees Celsius. There's some sea thermals, they keep bouncing me, makes life a little bit more exciting, and altitude higher, also good. You see how far I can get out over the ocean and still not losing altitude, that's awesome. Anyway, talk to you later. Alright, I landed. The onboard camera failed right in the middle of the flight. I couldn't turn it on anymore, so I didn't shoot everything I wanted. But that's okay. I had fun flight. Got a little bit cold. I was a little bit underdressed, but I survived. Landed fine right in front of launch. Great day. Last year I flew here with much lower winds, and crossing gaps was really nerve-wracking experience. Today was not an issue at all. Got high, crossed it over, no problem whatsoever. Went to the north, to the north end of the Cape Cod. Came back, no problem either direction. You know, south, I tagged south, played in front of launch a little bit. You know, having fun. It's November and we're flying. That's great. See you later.